Director Food Production with Holiday Inn Resort Goa. I am also working as a Director of Operations with Fisherman's Wharf and the Red Ginger brand. The Fisherman's Wharf is a seafood brand and the Red Ginger is a oriental brand. Today, I would like to say something about the Grand Empire. Although everyone knows about it and it has been one of the leading brands in India as far as hospitality product is concerned, I thank Grand Empire for bringing the products to Goa market and making it available all across. For all our F&B requirement, we contact Grand Empire right from the bakery requirement and the main kitchen requirement, whether it's a linen requirement, it's a one-stop destination for each and every item of the hospitality requirement. I'll give you an example. Once I was talking to the owner, Mr. Prashantji, regarding the requirement of the hospitality sector and the challenges. And that time I discussed with him that few of the items we are not getting in Goa. He said, please list out the items and I'll get it for you. Trust me, within a week everything was door delivered. So that is what we require, the commitment in the hospitality sector. Thank you Grand Empire for coming to Goa.
My name is Rajiv Kumar and I'm the General Manager of Fern Kadamba Hotel and Spa, Goa. If I talk about the Empire, it's one of the biggest store and it's a one roof of umbrella where you get all the requirements of a hospitality industry can be fulfilled, be it a cutlery, crockery, glassware, linen, decorative stuffs, props, you name it and you'll get it there. It's been so easy since the Grand has established in Goa to get the need and required stuff. Earlier used to get from the various other cities of India, which used to take a lot of time and which used to be very expensive. Now under this multinational store, you get anything you want is available and in a massive quantity and in various choices of all the resources. So I'm very thankful to Mr. Prashant, the proprietor of the Empire, for getting this brand and getting the store into Goa and helping all the hoteliers, colleagues and friends for fulfilling their supplies.
Hi, good afternoon. This is Sunit Sharma, Executive Chef with more than 20 years of experience across India and Middle East. Worked with several hotels across the country and the Vice President of the Culinary Forum of Goa. We're going to talk about a little bit about Grand Empire, the food and beverage vendor, the food and beverage supply that he gives to us, the kind of support that he gives to the industry in Goa, to all the hotels, restaurants and the chefs, kind of products he brings across crockery, cutlery, glassware and other things that is required for easy operations for us. You have a requirement, you just tell him that we are looking for such a product, and he looks across the whole world and in India, brings various options to you. The whole team is service oriented. They will get you various options as per your budget, as per your requirement, and make sure that you are happy with the products that they bring to you. If there is any issue with the quality, if there is anything that happens, anything that goes wrong, they would bring alternates. They will be very keen to ensure that the product is defect free, that they replace whatever has gone wrong and make sure that they do it before the deadline, before the timeline, they meet all the timelines. So quite prompt on their service and whatever they have to do. I think they're doing a fantastic job of getting various products to Goa, introducing Goa to a lot of new range products in food and beverage support that we require, let it be crockery, cutlery, glassware, props, buffet ware, etc., etc. Lots of new equipment that they bring in, lots of brands that they represent. I think they are a great gateway, great support to us in the industry, to chefs. Thank you. I think Prashant and the Grand Empire team doing a fantastic job. All the best.